I'm Dr. Shalini Shefy, a eye surgeon from Apollo Hospitals, Bangalore, and I would like to talk about cataract today. I think most of us know what is cataract, and it's always related to something with aging. But today I would like to go a little different and let you know that cataract is just not with aging population. I know it's most common condition which is seen in elderly people, but I would also like to tell you that cataract can occur from a newborn child to young adults to old age. So cataracts, although commonly seen in older ages, there can be conditions where they are seen in other age groups also. So what are the other conditions in which cataracts can occur? So there is something called congenital cataract, where a child can be born with cataract or can develop cataract a few days or weeks after birth. It can occur in conditions like Down syndrome, or sometimes when due to complications in pregnancy, like infections like rubella, cytomegalovirus. These infections during pregnancy can sometimes cause cataracts in childhood. The other conditions which can cause cataract in young adults is very commonly which we see is due to trauma. So blunt or penetrating trauma in young adults can lead to cataracts which needs to be treated. Then there are certain medical conditions like diabetes. In diabetics, we tend to see cataracts much earlier. And in other conditions like hypoparathyroidism and other medical conditions can also cause cataracts. The other reason for cataracts can also be medications. So patients who are on corticosteroids due to other medical conditions can sometimes develop cataract much earlier than the age. So these are some of the conditions which can be due to cataracts. The other important cause can also be lifestyle. Sometimes smoking, alcohol abuse, unhealthy lifestyles can sometimes lead to cataract. Even very excessive exposure to ultraviolet rays, these are some of the reasons which can cause cataracts. So although generally the term is cataract is related to old age, I would also like to say that cataract can occur even in other conditions and other medical conditions, medications. So if you have any vision problems, it is always better to get it checked with your doctor and consult as per your doctor. I had just explained about cataract, and I would just like to know that once you're diagnosed with cataract, now your doctor would talk to you about the lenses which we implant. When we do the cataract surgery, we remove your natural lens and put in an artificial lens in its place. With advancing technologies, now we are seeing a lot of lenses which are available for you as per your lifestyle. So when you speak to your doctor, it is good to know what are the options available for you. Of course, your doctor will look at your medical condition and advise you, but the options available nowadays, because we are leading even after retirement and this, now we are leading very active lives. So everybody wants to use a laptop, computer, want to drive. We all want to have perfect vision even after our cataract surgeries. So what are the different lenses which can be implanted during your cataract surgery? The three main different type of lenses are because we work at three different distances. One is a near vision, which is your reading on your mobile, your intermediate vision, which could be your laptop, computer, desktop, and the distance vision, which could be driving, watching television, watching a movie. These are the distance. So since we have three different distances which we work, so accordingly we have three different type of lenses. One is called the monofocal lens. The second lens is called the bifocal or the EDOF lenses, and the third category is the multifocal or the trifocal lenses. So these are basically to decide whether you want to wear glasses or do not want to wear glasses after your cataract surgery. You would also need to decide depending on your lifestyle, because some of the lenses can cause halos when you're driving. So if there's a lot of driving involved, please speak to your doctor and let him know, and he or she will advise you the lenses accordingly. Somebody who is using a lot of the computer or laptop or reading, then EDOF lenses are a good lens, or the trifocal lenses are good for you. In medical conditions like diabetes or age-related macular degeneration, then it is best to go as per your doctor's advice. The cost also varies a lot, and some of the insurances cover your monofocal lenses, so they don't cover your premium lenses. So you need to decide depending on your lifestyle, your medical condition, and your budget or insurance to decide about your intraocular lenses. So you can know about these and then speak to your doctor so you're well informed before you go for your cataract surgery. And if you need any more information, you can always get back to us at Apollo Hospitals, Bangalore. Thank you very much.